Look. This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following, in Colorado, Brigsdale, high wind warning in effect from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time Friday. What? Northwest winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour expected. Where? Brigsdale, Fort Morgan, Lyman, southern Lincoln County, Sterling, Akron, Julesburg, and Holyoke. When? From 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and a few power outages may result. People are urged to secure loose objects that could be blown around or damaged by the wind. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.